Hello viewers, how are you? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install COMODO antivirus on your Kali Linux machine. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with my channel. Open up your browser and go to this link. You will get this link from description. Then go to Antivirus and choose Kali Linux. Then select your distribution. For Kali Linux, choose Debian. And your bit, 32-bit or 64-bit operating system architecture. I am using 32-bit. Then click on free download. Wait until it's completing the download of. Wait for some time. Okay, then open up your download folder and put the file on your desktop. Open up a terminal and change your directory to desktop. Then just simply depackage the file. Type this command, then hit enter. Now just wait for some time while it is installing. Okay. Click on show applications. There it is. Here, we successfully get installed the COMODO antivirus on our Kali Linux machine. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel for upcoming video tutorials. Thanks for your watching.